Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you for this coming week's weekly horoscope, weekly forecast, recommendations, predictions, precautions, task of the week, chanting of the week, and all those necessary information what you're looking forward for this coming week. So let us start with Aries. Aries, for this coming week, the communication will open new ways for you. If you work in IT sector or in banking sector, then profession will offer you a very unique opportunity. You'll get a new opportunity, you'll be able to put through a lot of your point of view and present it very well. Your ability will be recognized and appreciated. You could be involved in a deal related to a car or property. Aries, this coming week will bring in new opportunities, new achievements for you. Take every action and decision. Make with every choice with lots of common sense. In your word of speech, there should be no aggression. Please try to be presentable, try to be polite. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to express. Don't raise your voice, and bear in mind that more you polite, more you are humble, less trouble for you in future. Respect your partner, Aries, and don't dishonor or insult your partner. If you want to invest your money in a property or in any project, please do so after consulting your partner, family, friends, or a consultant. You could go on a foreign travel. If you are a single, there could develop a new romantic opportunity. But take care to stay away from such a romantic alliance that could spoil you. This coming week, you will see a transit of Ketu and Venus in your Lagna, which will cause you a lot of stress, secret tensions. You have to be very careful about your relationship. If you are involved in a joint venture or business partnership, that make sure there should be a base of understanding in any joint venture or business partnership. Please also, you have to be very careful about your well-being regarding your family life and profession. Try to create a balance between family life and profession. Whatever you do, try not to express your anger all the time. You have to be very polite in your presenting whatever you want to say. This coming week, you have to look after your reputation. For this coming week, task of the week for Aries. The most important task for Aries is take 7 square pieces of silver, put in a silver box and fill it with river water. Time to time, donate 6 kilogram sugar to a religious place. Mix milk and yogurt and apply it all over your body or bath yourself. Precaution of the week for Aries. This week, please avoid any purchase of electrical goods, electronic goods, steel appliances, and please also make sure that you should not accept these items as a gift. Please bring honor and politeness in your word of speech. Do not employ any kind of aggressive approach. Chanting of the week for Aries. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Lakshmi Rupen Sasasthai Namastasyai 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 Namo Name. Or a very base chanting, Eng Harim Sharim Kalim. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more daily contents, including monthly, yearly horoscopes and astrological videos. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also, if you have any comments or suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me a comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. If you can remind me how you spent last week regarding our prediction and how you really spent, how do you synchronize our prediction with your daily routine, leave me a comment as well. I'll be back very soon with more contents regarding predictions, suggestions, tasks, and precautions. Look after yourself and take care.